If you're a freelancer looking for reliable and affordable web hosting, Scala Hosting is definitely worth considering. Scala Hosting offers flexible plans that grow with your needs. Whether you're starting out with a single website or managing multiple client sites, their shared hosting plans are great for beginners. But what really stands out for freelancers is their managed VPS hosting with full root access. This means you get dedicated resources for faster performance and the freedom to customize your environment. Plus, their SPanel control panel is super user friendly, so you don't have to wrestle with complicated setups. Security is also a big focus with features like free SSL certificates, daily backups, and AI driven Shield. Shield malware protection, keeping your website safe without extra effort. On top of that, Scala Hosting provides 24/7 customer support. So if you ever hit a snag, help is just a message away. For freelancers who want to balance the performance, security, and affordability, Scala Hosting offers plans tailored to your needs without breaking the bank. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.